Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? That's great. Be safe tonight. What up? Hey, texting and smoking, man, you can multitask like a motherfucker, bro. I gotta give you props. Alright, now let me get a hit of that cigarette. Yeah, watch it. It's so bad for you, bro. Hey, it's the mailman. What's up, dude? How you doing? Hey, man, it's free hug day, bro.
All right.
Come on, bring it in, man.
Bring it in there.
All right.
How you doing, man?
Be safe tonight, man.
Yeah,
it's hot. You gotta stay hydrated.
I know, man.
You guys got AC in that? Oh my God.
They give us a fan and a window.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh man. I'm sorry, brother. If you need a water, man, I'll buy you one.
No, I carry about 2 gallons.
Oh, you got to, huh?
I go higher than that.
Woo! Jesus. You too, brother. Let's make it awkward. Let's see how long I can hold this guy's hand for. Alright, you guys, let's see how long he'll hold my hand for. Amigo. What's up, man? How you doing? You're not too bad?
Huh?
You doing a good day?
Yeah.
That's good. I ride around, just mess with people.
Working.
Yeah, Lavar. Nice to meet you. You look nice. Work hard today?
Huh?
You work hard today?
No mucho inglés.
Yeah. No? You hold my hand so long.
No mucho inglés.
You hold my hand so long. You. Is it good?
Yeah.
You can let go. You can let go. Let go. I'm not holding you. You're holding me. Where's the music? What happened to the music? Bump that shit. I don't hear it. I don't hear nothing, yo. Where's it at? Alright. There we go. Hey. Do you need help? Does he need help picking it up? You need help picking that up?
Thanks for the offer. I think I'm okay.
I don't think he's okay.
You know what I should do? I should break it up into 2.
No, I can just help you pick it up.
Great, thanks.
Yeah. Just this?
Yeah.
Right here, right?
Appreciate your help, man.
Yeah.
Here we go. Just,
Absolutely. Sideways?
yeah, if it'll fit.
Yeah, it'll fit sideways. If you wanted it flat?
Yeah, lay it down flat.
Okay.
And then when we get home, I'll just tear it apart. It's easier for me to do.
Yeah, get you guys out of the sun.
Yeah.
Thank you so
There you
much.
go. You're welcome. Hope you guys have a great day.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. You know it's National Hug Day, right?
Huh?
You know it's National Hug Day.
National hug.
Yeah, you gotta give me a hug. Yeah, how you doing? Thank you, I appreciate it. You okay? You okay? It just stopped? You want me to help you push it out the road? Alright. Chill. Just throw it in neutral and I'll have him help us. Just pull your bike over. No, stay in the car, you just steer it. Hey, can you hold on? Can you? Come on! Look at this dude, ain't even helping me, bro. You want to keep it pushing? We'll keep pushing. I want to get my shit. Thank you, brother.
So just out of gas or?
It just stopped.
Okay. My bike's like totally fucking left, like in the middle of the lane.
Yeah, go get it. Oh, we got it. Go get it.
Got it.
Hey, I got your key. Fuck it. Sorry, dude. Go to the right. Where are we going?
I was just going to hit the same thing. Like this parking lot right here.
Go into the parking lot.
That's a drive-through now.
No, she should pull over in the red. Hey, where you want to go? Where do you want to push it? Did you want to leave it in the Jack in the Box parking lot? That's probably your best bet right here.
Yeah, can I pay for parking there? Just like have it here?
I don't know, I would just talk to them.
Okay.
If your car's broken down, they may be willing
Let's
to
push it. Let's push it back into the Jack in the Box. That's your safest bet.
Okay.
All this ain't gonna. Close your door. Steer the car. Steer your car. Now turn it back. No, the other way, other way, other way. Get off the phone. Get off the phone. No, the other way. Go, 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 go. Hey, come push. It's a hill.
Straighten it out, straighten it out, straighten it out, sweetheart.
Other way.
Straighten it out, straighten it out, straighten it out, straighten it out. Straighten out.
Hey, hey, hey. So wait, put your car in park.
No, it's neutral.
Yeah, put it in park. Try to start it. Nothing?
Well, she has lights, so.
It's probably alternator.
Just push her straight into a spot.
Yeah.
So.
Hey, sit inside and steer it.
Where do you want me to go?
Just straight into a parking spot.
So she's not taking up 2 spots.
Neutral.
No,
We're just going to that little parking spot. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
You got points with your girl.
Yeah, I was sitting in the restaurant with the house, see you guys pushing me on University, like that. You guys are.
Oh, good luck. I'm sorry.
Oh, thank you for helping her.
Yeah, even though she don't want to thank us. That's crazy. She literally did not thank us to help her. Well, look, she's still on her phone. I hope you're recording. Yeah. Yo, almost caught that on camera. Wow. Yo, that was almost an accident, bro.
That was what?